can offer is really pagnenegosyo. So kung gusto nila magnegosyo, the Department of Trade and Industry is the best department for them to go to. So matutulungan sila in, let's say, of course, the pautang, which I mentioned.
Mm.
Number two, market access, meaning pwede silang tulungan kung saan ibebenta yung mga produkto nila, whether it's through the e-commerce platform,
Mhm.
kasi napakalaking oportunidad ngayon ang e-commerce platform.
Mm.
And then, or pwede rin sila sumali sa mga trade shows ng DTI na napakalakas na ngayon.
Okay.
So, this is free. Lahat ng trade show ng DTI nationwide, libre po ito para
Hmm.
sa lahat ng mga sumasali. At least we have almost 200 trade shows nationwide.
Okay.
So, pwede silang sumali dito. And then, meron din mentoring. Meron din pagde-develop ng mga produkto. So, it's best for them to go to the different regional offices and negosyo centers nationwide.
Mm. Secretary, kung sakali po, halimbawa, ang isang OFW, they availed of this loan program at may
Yes.
pagkakataon na hindi na sila makababalik pa ng ibang bansa and they decided to stay here for good in the Philippines. Paano po ang mangyayari po
Yes.
doon?
Walang problema, tuloy-tuloy lang. Basta
Okay.
they pay the loan. If
Mhm.
meron silang problema, then they can go to SB Corporation and pwede sila mag-negotiate doon.
Mm.
Ang importante is makausad yung negosyo nila. That is the main concern. That is really the main concern of our president rin and of the Department of Trade and Industry.
Mm.